Okay, I'm gonna kick this second vlog off with a little apartment tour. I have 3 roommates, but none of them are home right now, so it's actually very quiet, but I will show you around. Okay, here we go. This is the apartment when you first walk in. Mirror, shoes are stored in there, and then this little coat rack. And then you come around here and we have another closet with like cleaning supplies, jackets. Then this is the living room. It's actually a 2-bedroom unit that is flex walled into a 4-bed, so this like pink wall is not real. And then the coffee bar cart situation. This plant has come with me through like 3 different apartments and I love it. Then I'm not gonna go like into their bedrooms really because they're not here, but the flex wall rooms get a lot of light, which is really nice. We have some decor. This is our little dining area. I printed this out from online. Then the kitchen, we definitely have some makeshift storage. Okay, I'm trying to think how I can show this, but we have pothos all in the apartment and I propagate it and it's literally growing like all along the kitchen, like it's everywhere. Then there's my 3rd roommate's bedroom here and then 2 big closets that everyone shares and then a 2nd bathroom. This is me and Cammie's bathroom. I do think that having 4 girls, you need to have 2 bathrooms. Then this is my bedroom, which I can show more of. Bailey literally sits there all day. My bedding is from a bunch of different places. Then I actually made the headboard and then made the art above my bed as well. I'll go across my room, but I have like a book stack, this plant, which is getting kind of large for my room, but I love it. I might actually get a different table and then swap and put the mirror over here soon. Then my work from home setup is like not ever aesthetic because of these monitors, but I do have 2 nice closets. The first one is literally just all clothes. And then this one I have like some more sweaters, bags, and then my enormous perfume collection because of L'Oreal. This jungle juice.
I like it. St. Patrick's Day.
This is pesto hummus because I'm allergic to avocado. Delicious. Okay, I'm about to go out to dinner with my friend Allie in the West Village, and then maybe go out after. It is Friday night, but I'm on like a 6-month no alcohol kick and like literally in the middle of it. So my motivation to go out has been declining, but this is the fit. I just blew my hair, so it's huge. This little sweater that I thrifted. And that is all. Ooh, 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 ooh.